Suppose three sides are 2 units. Draw a perpendicular from A to BC, that is AD. Now we got two right-angled triangles ABD and ACD. AB equals 2, BAC also 2, BC divided into two parts, equal parts, BD and DC each are 1 unit. Okay? Okay. Okay. Then this figure, can you say what is the length of AD? AD. Can you find the length of AD? AD square equals, take one of these right-angled triangle, ACD. AD square equals AC square minus CD square, that is 2 square minus 1 square. 2 square 4, 4 minus 1 gives 3. AD equals root 3. Clear? Okay. AD square equals AB square minus BD square. Hypotenuse root 3 by 2. Then what about tan 30? Anybody? Tell me, opposite side by adjacent side. 30 യുടെ opposite side by adjacent side. 30 degree യുടെ opposite side 1. Adjacent side root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Similarly, you can find the value of sin 60 from this figure. Cos 60 also from the same figure. Tan 60. Let us find sin 60. Take any one of 60 degree. 60 degree യുടെ opposite side by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 60 adjacent side by hypotenuse 1 by 2. Tan 60 opposite side by adjacent side, that means root 3 by 1 or root 3. So we got the value of sin 30, cos 30 and tan 30. Similarly, sin 60, cos 60 and tan 60 from this figure. Okay. Can you read the value of sin 30? Anybody? No. Sin 30. Oh, 1 by 2. Okay. Look, sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 60 also 1 by 2. Sin 30 as 1 by 2, cos 60, look, cos 60 also 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Okay? Value of sin 30 equals cos 60. Cos 30 equals sin 60. Why it is so? That I will discuss next class. Okay. Hello?
Just a mistake.
Equals 6 by 8. If tan of equals 6 by 8, find sin of and cos of. Find sin of and cos of. Can you find? May I help you? Okay. Tan R. Tan. We know tan. Which side by this side? Tan. Tan R. Tan R. Which side by which side? Tan A. R. Which side divided by which side? Opposite side by adjacent side. But tan R, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. That is given 6 by 8. That means opposite side 6 or ratio of 6, adjacent side R. Appo 6 by R. Opposite side PQ 6, adjacent side QR 8. Clear? 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 Clear. Then what about the hypotenuse PR? How can we find the hypotenuse PR? PR square, hypotenuse in the square, base in the square, altitude in the square, area. QR square plus PQ square. Okay. PR square, hypotenuse square, base square plus altitude square, 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square 64, 6 square 36, total 100. PR square 100, therefore PR equals root 110, hypotenuse 10. Now write sin R. You know that sin R, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side, according to R, opposite side is 6, hypotenuse 10. Cos R, cos R, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side 8, hypotenuse 10, 8 by 10. This is the method to find sin R and cos R from the given factor tan R equals 6 by 8. Are they clear? Okay, Karina? Clear? Clear aile പറഞ്ഞോളൂ repeat ചെയ്യാം. അതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ക്ലിയർ ഇല്ലാത്ത ഭാഗമുണ്ടോ? സൈൻ ആറും കോസ് ആറും തന്നാൽ ടാൻ ആർ കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ലേ? സൈനും കോസും തന്നാൽ ടാൻ കാണാൻ പറ്റും. ടാൻ തന്നാൽ മറ്റു രണ്ടും കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ലേ? പൈതഗോറസ് തിയറം ഓർത്തു വെക്കുക. ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ് കാണാൻ ബേസിന്റെ സ്ക്വയർ അല്ലേ ആൾട്ടിറ്റ്യൂഡിന്റെ സ്ക്വയർ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് റൂട്ട് കണ്ടാവും. അത് കാണാൻ പറ്റിയാൽ നമുക്ക് ഇതിലെ സൈനും കോസും ടാനും കാണാനൊന്നും ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട്. ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, we are going to study about in some special cases. Look, can you draw an equilateral triangle? Draw an equilateral triangle ABC. What's meant by equilateral triangle? Sin A, opposite side by hypotenuse according to angle A, 4 by 5. Opposite side BC equals 4 and hypotenuse is 5. We know Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? What is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of base and altitude. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of base and altitude. Here hypotenuse already given, it is 5, and base already given 4. We have to find altitude or AB. Altitude AB equals square of hypotenuse, that is AC square minus base square, BC square. We have to find the adjacent side of angle AB. Opposite side BC and hypotenuse are given. So let us substitute AC square 5 square minus BC square 4 square. We will get 25 minus 16, that is 9. AB square equals 9. AB equals the root of 9, that is 3. That means AB, adjacent side of angle A, we got it is 3. Now we can find cos A. Cos A, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side 3, hypotenuse 4. N minus 1 into D. Nth term ആവുമ്പോ n minus 1. 20 minus 1 gives 19. 20 ൽ നിന്ന് പോകുമ്പോൾ 19. അപ്പോൾ f plus 19d എത്രയാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാൽ നമുക്ക് ഇതിലെ 20ാമത്തെ പദം 20th ടേം എത്രയാണെന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റും. എഴുതി നോക്കണ്ട. 14, 18, 22, 26 അങ്ങനെ എഴുതി നോക്കാതെ ഇത് എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 20ാമത് നമ്മൾ എഴുതുന്നത് 20th term is what? Let us look. നോക്കാം. f plus f എത്രയാണ്? 6 ലെ first term 6 plus 19d, 19 into common difference 6, 10, 14, 18 etc. 6, 10, 14, 18 അതിന്റെ പൊതു വ്യത്യാസം common difference എത്രയാണ്? 4, 4